After launching my boat, I found this new small project. So after delaying for a very long time, I finally going to put my hands on this broken roller. I'm going to replace it with a new one. Just I don't know exactly if the new one is the same or just similar. So let's find out. I've got this support beam here. I've got my bottle jack. Trying from the other side. Once it went off by itself, but now I can get it off. Now let's go to the other side. Is that a thread? Is that a nut and a bolt? Finally. It's too dark, but it is not a nut, it's just a cap. So let's remove the axle. So it's not a nut, it's just a cap, and the axle is solid rod with two caps on the ends. It has small holes here for fixation, but they were not used for that. And the roller itself completely ruined. So let's see how the new one looks like. So here is the new one, still in the package. Looks quite similarly, just I don't know about the dimensions. Is it completely the same or just similar? And seems like quite similar. Okay, that's nice. The axle seems fits perfectly. So it's just a simple replace case. And I'd like to know what is inside this rubber, so maybe it is possible to remove those bushings. Oh, so it is made completely the same as the old one, just the old one is rusted out and this is the new one. And the new one is, as you can see, is made in Taiwan. I'm going to use marine grease here. I don't know if it helps much, but it won't be washed, so actually this roller is a little bit longer and it spreads this bracket and the axle now is a little bit too short. I think I need to remove it and to shorten it a little bit. So my plan is now to shorten this rubber body, so to cut about 5 or something millimeters from one end. I won't bother with both ends and hopefully it will fit in. Not very nicely, but it is shorter now. Super. So my bottle jack dropped a little bit and now I can't fit it back. Perfect. So now I need to hammer on this cap, but the axle moves easily, freely here. So what my plan is to lower down the boat. The boat will press down this roller and hopefully create enough friction to hold this axle in place and I can hammer that cap on. I'm degreasing the end of the axle because I think that only friction keeps that cap on, so I need more friction. So hopefully that's it. So here it is. The boat is not centered very well, but it is on the roller, so it's okay. And here it is, new one. Ta-da!